have a wise friend who's in her 80s. She's a cute little package full of wit and wisdom. One day I ran into her at the grocery store. She told me about a girl who had a crush on a boy and rode out of town with him on the back of his motorcycle. Don't do that, she said. That girl came back home pregnant. I thanked her for her advice, assured her I wasn't planning on riding on the back of any motorcycles anytime soon. We giggled, hugged, and parted ways. But I think my favorite thing she's ever said was how whenever someone wishes they had her life, she responds the same way. Don't be jealous of my life until you've walked through the hell I've had to walk through to get here. But isn't that the truth? We rise like a phoenix out of the ashes of our trials and pain. We become wiser, stronger, and eventually happier. But that's the thing, we gotta go through it and not let ourselves be distracted by boys on motorcycles.